Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So today what are we looking at? We are looking at the second item on the menu list, which is config. So it's basically going to tell us the configuration that we have for Ansible Navigator. So it's just like having the Ansible CFG file, but this is going to drill through our configuration file and give us a better explanation of whatever we have there. So without wasting much time, let's go and get a better understanding of our configuration file. So I'm going to fetch it. So it will take a few seconds for it to retrieve the configuration. So this is what we have for our configuration file. So we have these basic configurations, and you can reference these from the Ansible configuration file. Sorry, the Ansible Navigator configuration file. So we have all these configurations defined, some which we change. So for example, if we're looking at the Ansible home, it is pointing to my home directory, and we have others like cache plugin disabled, become a plugin path. So it's basically picking some of the configuration from Ansible as well as the predefined configurations file. So as you can see, we can see that for collections, facts, and everything. So we have a lot of configurations. So as I said, we can check from the Ansible Navigator configuration file link to get a better understanding of what we have over here. So as you can see, everything is right here. So it's basically just giving you a detailed understanding of some of the configurations that makes up the Ansible Navigator as well as Ansible. So you have everything over here. So these are, I mean, the pre configurations that comes installed with the Ansible Navigator. So you can just change them. For example, the log path. I've already defined a log path in my configuration file, so no need to worry about this. So we keep on going. So I think it's a whole lot of configurations over there. So we still go through to see what we have over here. So it's a whole lot of configurations, and as you can see, everything is right here. So just to get an overview of the default configuration for um, our Ansible Navigator, not much to worry about. I prefer to have everything pre-configured in the configuration file. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you take these studies further, extensively do testing to get a better understanding of most of the configuration files, and you can as well share with me what you've discovered. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in my next video.